Hello viewers, welcome to Rishraj Classes YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to start solving maths paper. Means we are going to start our practice for board exam, SSLC board exam. The marking scheme and everything is already explained in our previous video. You can check the link of that video in the description box. I have also explained on which topics you have to focus if your intention is only to score the passing marks. So, as this year the syllabus is reduced, we cannot say it's changed, it has reduced a lot. So these are the papers which are based on this latest syllabus. So we are going to solve few papers on our YouTube channel. So today we are going to start our first paper. We will be solving our paper in two parts. So today this is going to be the first part of our first practice paper. So without wasting time, let's start our first paper, and without wasting time, please press the subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed our channel. So as you know, the first Roman number is of 8 questions where you have 4 different options. A, B, C, D. You have to select the right answer from this. The first question is, find the HCF of. We have to find HCF of 5 to the power of 2 into 2 and 2 to the power of 5 into 5 is. Now we know that when we find the HCF, here 5 to the power of 2, 5 to the power of 1. Take 1, 5, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 5. Take 1, 2. So the option given here is actually 2 into 5. So 2 into 5 or 5 into 2 is one and the same. So here the answer is 2 into 5. That means here option A is the right answer. The next question, sum of the first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers. Actually for such question there is no need to look at the options. Means no need to compare. You should know the right answer. So sum of the first n natural numbers is n plus 1 upon 2. That's it. So here in this case, option C is the right answer. Okay. In the pair of linear equations, general form of linear equations are given here. Which of the following situation cannot arise? Which of the following situation cannot arise? We know that the general form a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are the general form. We know that a1 upon a2, if it is not equal to b1 upon b2, lines are intersecting. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, not equal to c1 upon c2, lines are parallel. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, equal to c1 upon c2, lines are coincident. So here which situation cannot arise? So here the option D says that a1 equal to a2, b1 equal to b2, and C1 equal to C2. This case is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because if A1 equal to A2, B1 equal to B2, C1 equal to C2, then it's the same equation. It's the same equation. Same one, only one equation it represents. It will not represent two different equations. So option D is not possible. Now the next simple question. Here the number of zeros of the polynomial. So here the number of zeros. I'll just draw the rough figure. Now the given figure here is something like this. Like this. We know that the number of zeros is equal to the number of times the curve intersects or touches the x-axis. So in this case 1, 2, 3. 3 times the curve is intersecting the x-axis. So here number of zeros is 3. So simple question. So passing is not at all difficult. Now the next. Here this equation, that is x plus 2 is equal to 6, is of which type? Whether it's linear, quadratic, cubic, or quadratic polynomial or quadratic equation. Let's check this. Now here if we simplify, we get x square plus 2x and 6 if we bring it this side is equal to 0. Now whenever we have LHS is equal to RHS, it becomes equation. So here two options we have, quadratic equation and quadratic polynomial. So if this equal to sign is not there, suppose if they give only x square plus 2x minus 6, then it becomes quadratic polynomial. But if it is equal to something, then this becomes quadratic equation, as the highest degree is 2. Highest degree is 2 means it is quadratic. So next one, sixth one. Now in this case, they say here two triangles are given. It's something like this. P, Q, R. Markings are here. And one more is given here like this. And then here it's A, B, C. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. The pair of corresponding sides in the following. So here, as they have already given, so if we compare PQ similar to AB, QR similar to BC, PR similar to AC. So if we compare the options, so in this case only option A is possible. Option A says the corresponding sides are PQ and AB. The other pairs are not possible. They say PR, AB. PR and AB. It's not possible. QR and AC. QR and AC. Even this is not possible. PR and BC. PR and BC. Even this is not possible. So here the correct option is option A, that is PQ and AB. Now the next question. Sin square A minus cos square A. Sin square A minus cos square A is equal to, identity sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. But here sin square A minus cos square A. Here the options are either 1, which is not possible, minus 1, even this is not possible, 1 minus 2 cos square A, 1 plus 2 cos square A. Okay, we want in terms of cos. So if our sin square A plus cos square A is 1, then sin square A is 1 minus cos square A. Let us substitute here this sin square. 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A. So we get 1 minus 2 cos square A. So in this case, option B is the right answer. Okay. Now, the eighth one. Sum of the probability of all elementary events of a random experiment. If we add the probability of all the elementary events of one random experiment, the sum is going to be always 1. The sum of all the elementary events probability is always 1. So here we complete our first Roman number, that is where we had A, B, C, D option, and we have completed this 8 questions. Let's move to the Roman number 2, where we have 8 questions again of 1 mark, but here options are not there. 9th question. Find the value of B if the pair of linear equations 2x plus by is equal to 8, 2 into 2x plus 3y is equal to 16 has infinite solutions. First of all, here we have to write these equations in general form. Second Roman number, 9th question. Here 2x plus by is equal to 8. 2x plus by minus 8 is equal to 0. Our first equation is equal to 0. Now the second thing, they have given something like this. 2 into 2x plus 3y is equal to 16. So here it is 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. 16 we are bringing to LHS. So a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Infinite number of solutions are there. So here a1 is 2, b1 is b, c1 is minus 8, a2 is 4, b2 is 6, c2 is minus 16. So there are infinite solutions, and therefore a1 upon a2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Let's write 2 upon 4 is equal to B upon 6 is equal to minus 8 upon minus 16. You can take any of these two fractions. Either 2 upon 4 is equal to B upon 6 or B upon 6 is equal to minus 8 upon minus 16. Let's consider this. So in this case, B is equal to 2 into 6 upon 4. 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 ones are 2 3s are. It is 3. So the value of B in this case is 3. 10th one is quite simple. Here 10th one they say degree of the polynomial. So here degree of this given Px. The polynomial is 5x cube minus 3x square plus 12x minus 8. Degree is the highest power. So in this case, degree of this polynomial is 3. Highest power is 3. Next question. If sine A is root 3 upon 2, cos A is 1 upon 2, then we have to find what is tan A. We know that tan A is sine A upon cos A. Root 3 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2 means root 3 upon 2 into 2 upon 1. Answer is root 3. So tan A is root 3. Okay. Next is again simple one. Write the empirical relationship between the three measures of central tendency, that is mean, median and mode. Mean, median and mode. The empirical relationship between mean, median and mode is 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode. 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode. This is the empirical relationship. Okay. Now next is express the quadratic equation in the standard form. Okay. Here the given thing is x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon x. This we have to simplify and write in standard form. Let's cross multiply. X into x plus 1 is equal to 2 into 3. X square plus x is equal to 6. X square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the standard form of this quadratic equation. Okay. So let's move to the sum number 14. Sum number 14 is find the distance of point 68 from origin. We have to find the distance of this point from origin. Let this 68 be x and y. We know that distance from origin, if O is 0, 0, actually we have directly the formula to find distance of the point from origin, that is x square plus y square. So in this case it is 6 square plus 8 square, which is 36 plus 64. This is equal to 100 and square root of 100 is 10. So distance of point P from origin is 10 units. Now next question. Here they have given one figure. Okay. 15th one, they have given one figure. It's something like this. Here it's P, Q, O, R, S. They have given that triangle POQ is similar to triangle ROS and PQ is parallel to SR. If PQ is to SR, is 1:2, we have to find OS is to OQ. We have to find OS is to OQ. Okay. Now we know that triangles are similar. Okay. Triangles are similar. POQ similar to ROS. Now whenever we write the similar triangles, we can straightway refer to these vertices and write the corresponding sides. So in this case, PQ upon SR, PQ upon SR is OQ upon OS. OQ upon OS. And we know that PQ upon SR is 1:2. So it gives us 1/2. But the question is OS is to OQ. And here we get OQ upon OS. So OS upon OQ is 2/1. And therefore OS is to OQ is 2:1. So like this we have to be careful, check how the sides are given, and accordingly you have to solve. Sometimes in hurry the students straightway write even this is equal to 1/2, and so they lose their precious marks. Now the next question, 16th one. 16th question says circumference of the circular base of the cylinder is 44 cm and its height is 10 cm. Find the curved surface area. Now here circumference of the base is 44 cm, height is 10 cm, and we have to find the curved surface area. Here students simply waste their time in finding the radius and all. It is not required. Here what is the formula to find curved surface area of the cylinder? It's 2 pi RH, and circumference is nothing but 2 pi r, and which is 44. So curved surface area, which is 2 pi RH. This 2 pi r is already given, 44, height is 10. So it's 440 centimeter square. So you should also know like this some simple tricks. There you have to use your presence of mind and don't waste your precious time in finding the radius and all such things. So wherever it is possible, you have to save your time like this when you solve the board paper. So here we complete 16 sums. 16 sums we have completed. Choose the correct answer, 8 questions, and solve the following 8 questions. So the remaining questions we will continue in our next video. So be in touch, because as I said, the complete paper will not be solved in one video, and for that you have to subscribe our channel so that you will get the regular updates of our next videos, so that you will get the complete solving of this paper. So as I said, we will continue question number 17 in our next video. So my dear students, my dear viewers, please don't forget to share this video among your friends, as it's going to be very helpful for all the SSLC students. And thank you so much for watching this video.